Hi, my name is Brian, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the most out of your screen mirroring device. For those of you who don't know what a screen mirroring device is, it's a way to capture what's on your personal device, mobile or laptop, and put that onto an alternate screen. Some people call it screen imaging or screen casting, but what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be showing you how to take what's on your mobile device or laptop and put that onto an alternate screen. So there's three components that come in the package. Here is the screen mirroring device itself. Black matte finish, feels very durable. Also comes with a flexible HDMI cable and a USB cable for your power. Before connecting your phone to the device, you want to plug in your screen mirroring device. So take the screen mirroring device and plug in your HDMI cable. And take the small side of your USB cable and plug that in for your power. This is going to be connected to a plug for me, but you can also plug it into a TV. Most TVs have USB ports in the back. Okay, let's plug it into the TV. There's going to be a few different options for screencasting with this device. First, we're going to start off with how to screencast with Android phones. If you have a Galaxy Note 4, skip to Chapter 2. If you have an Apple iPhone or iPad, skip to Chapter 5. If you have a MacBook, skip to Chapter 6. And if you have a Windows 10 laptop, skip to Chapter 7. First, we're going to start off with how to connect your Android phone using a USB cable. Now I'm going to show you how to connect your Android phone using a USB cable. First, connect your phone to the cable. And go down to Apps, then tap on Settings. From Settings, you want to scroll down and find Developer Options. At the top of your screen, you want to enable Developer Options. Scroll down and find USB debugging. Turn USB debugging on, click OK, and a pop-up will come up. And to enable your screencasting, tap on View. Now we're connected and screencasting using a USB cable on your Android phone. This is best if you want to watch video or play games on a big screen. Now I'm going to show you how to connect wirelessly using your Android phone. From the top of your screen, swipe down and keep swiping until you find Smart View. Tap on Smart View and your phone will automatically search and connect to your screen mirroring device. And there we are, we're connected and screencasting using an Android phone with a wireless connection. Alright, so now I'll show you how to screen mirror using Galaxy Note 4. If you have a Galaxy Note 4, go to Apps, and then Settings, and then scroll down and find NFC sharing. Click on that and then tap on screen mirroring. Your phone will scan for your device and connect. And we're connected. Now I'm going to show you how to connect wirelessly using your Apple iPhone or Apple product. First, make sure your screen mirroring device is switched over to Apple. Here we are, we're switched over. So now on your iPhone, click on Settings, scroll down and open your Wi-Fi. And your iPhone will automatically scan for your device. Scroll down and find your device. This one is labeled RHXY. And your password screen will pop up. The password is 12345678. Tap on Join. After you've connected, you can always change your password to something memorable and personal. Okay, we're connected and go back to your home screen. From the bottom of your home screen, swipe up. You'll see screen mirroring. Tap on screen mirroring. And you'll see your device. Tap on your device. Then there we are. We are screencasting wirelessly using an Apple iPhone. Now that you're connected and screencasting wirelessly using your iPhone, you have the option to continue using your data or connect to your local Wi-Fi. Here's how to connect to your local Wi-Fi. Open up your browser and type in this number here, 192.168.49.1, and hit go. That will then open up the Screen Mirroring Devices setup menu. Click on the Connect to Wi-Fi icon on the top left. Okay, so here we're already connected. I've connected it, but you can also, if you can't find your network, tap on Scan for Networks, and it'll open up a list of networks in your area. Connect to the network you'd like or the Wi-Fi connection you'd like and enter the password. If you can't connect to your local Wi-Fi, you can always go back to your settings menu and connect manually. First by tapping Add Network, and then entering the name of your network or Wi-Fi, and then scrolling down and entering your password, and then tapping on Connect. Okay, so I filled out the name and password of our local Wi-Fi, and now we're going to connect. There you go, we are now connected to your local Wi-Fi instead of using your own data. Now to connect your iPhone using a USB cable. Take your manufacturer's phone cable and plug it into the device. A pop-up should come up that says trust or don't trust this device. Tap trust. There we are connected and screencasting with an iPhone using a USB cable. Now to connect to your screen mirroring device using a MacBook. Head up to the top of your screen and select the AirPlay icon. It's right beside your Wi-Fi icon. Click on the AirPlay icon and select your device. Takes a few seconds to connect. There we go, we are connected and screencasting using your MacBook. Now we're going to show you how to connect wirelessly with a Windows 10 laptop. First, switch over your screen mirroring device to Android. It'll take a few seconds to switch over. And on your laptop, go down to the bottom right corner of your screen and open up your Action Center. Then click on Expand. Then click on Connect. Your laptop will automatically search for your screen mirroring device. And here is our screen mirroring device labeled RHXY. Click on that. And your laptop will scan for your device. Here we are connected and screencasting with a Windows 10 laptop. Those are all the ways to connect your screen mirroring device to an alternate screen. Here's what I really liked about this device. First, it doesn't require Wi-Fi. You can use your USB cable to connect to your phone, and that allows for a higher frame rate per second, allowing you to watch movies or play games at high FPS. It also is compatible with any phone out there, and especially like this durable aluminum casing. Black matte finish, great for travel. This is one of the biggest benefits is the simultaneous charging. You can charge your phone while you're watching content, free or paid. And last but not least, it is cost effective. We've compiled an online media library of all the content you could watch. Click on the link below to visit the site. Thanks for watching.